Start, Honorable Speaker, Sir, when this government was elected for the first term, we promised to make Delhi a global city. It is a matter of privilege for me to announce that we have succeeded to a great extent in this direction. Delhi is known for its development in the last decade. Delhi is known as the green capital of the world. It has developed a world class metro. Delhi has emerged as an educational and cultural hub. It is famous for health tourism, beautiful roads and flyovers and public transport. From this year, it will also be known as a city of sports and sports infrastructure. A study by a reputed organization reveals that amongst 37 cities across India, Delhi has emerged as the best Indian city in terms of quality of life and living standards. As a result of our efforts, Delhi tops the list based on educational and economic environment, ahead of Mumbai and Bengaluru in the country. Sir, Delhi government took timely action through market intervention for controlling the retail prices of essential commodities. As a result, the retail prices of food items increased in Delhi as the national level. In Delhi, the rate of inflation on the consumer price index for industrial workers was the lowest as compared to other metropolitan cities. And at the national level, Mr. Speaker, Sir, the local bodies in states are getting grants from the center as per the recommendations of Finance Commission. This financial grant is not being made available to the local bodies in Delhi by the Financial Commission. We have set up fourth Delhi Finance Commission for recommending devolution of funds for the period of next 5 years. Sir, with a comprehensive approach to city development planning, we have initiated a number of reformative measures both in project and program formulation as well as their implementation, monitoring and evaluation. Taking into account the funds for completion of ongoing projects, I propose to enhance the plan outlay for the current year. Sir, in order to give effect to the revised estimates, supplementary demands for grants will be required. I therefore seek the approval of this House for the supplementary demands for grants. Sir, to improve the quality of public transport, we have decided to introduce low floor buses and air conditioned buses. More buses are also being added. We are confident that with this, public transport will improve to meet the requirement of the city's growing population. taking into account the increasing number of vehicles on city roads, government is paying due attention to pedestrian safety and convenience. A massive program for construction of foot-over bridges has been started. Sir, honorable members of this august House are aware of the problem of raw water faced by Delhi to meet the growing water supply requirement of the city. Government of Haryana has been asked to complete the project at the earliest. Sir, to improve the sanitation and environment in the city, we have decided to provide sewage system in all rural villages of Delhi. Sir, we are committed to improve the quality of education in government and government aided schools, for which a number of steps have been taken. The first is to set up new schools in localities which do not have adequate number of schools. For the next academic session, 5 new schools have already been started, 4 schools have been upgraded, and more schools are proposed to be upgraded. Government has started pre-primary classes in all Sarvodaya Vidyalayas. Sir, government is providing subsidy on school uniforms to students of Delhi government and girls student of government aided schools. In case of aided schools, the benefit of uniform subsidy and textbook subsidy is being given only to the girl students. Sir, I propose to extend this facility to the boy students as well. Sir, government has reformulated the industrial policy to promote industry in Delhi. The existing units will also be encouraged to convert into high-tech and non-pollutant and skilled industries. Sir, it is a matter of great pleasure for me to announce that government has made arrangements for assured power supply during the year. Delhi will be a surplus power state. Sir, our government initiated the process of regularization of unauthorized colonies following the guidelines issued by Ministry of Urban Development. We are making best efforts to provide all civic services in these unauthorized colonies. Roads, pipe, water supply and street lights have been provided in these colonies. Sir, government is committed to provide social security to senior citizens and other vulnerable groups of the society. Honorable members have desired that the number of old age pensioners be increased. Therefore, we have decided to provide old age pension to 1 lakh more senior citizens in the next year. We are also providing pension to more than 42,000 widows. Stop.